Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and today I'm redoing my bedroom. So I got a new mattress from Sweet Night. They're on Amazon. It's linked below. It's literally so freaking comfortable. It's a cooling mattress and like it's summer, so it was time for a redo, time for a new mattress. Our kitties destroyed the bed frame. We have 2 kittens at home. So we have a whole new little reveal. So let me just show you the before and after. So here's our bedroom before. Like little nightstands. The bed is completely scratched from the kitties. Another view of it. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's gonna look better. See in the mirror. Ah. So this is before. Here's the after. Hello, kitties. So cute. In the mirror view. This looks so much better, I think. So we got the new headboard and little nightstands. Is it comfy? So comfy. They love it. Here's a closer look at the Cool Nest mattress. It's designed with something called the Cool Nest system, which layers PCM Flux foam with gel memory foam. That combo actually helps keep things cooler at night, up to 8 degrees, which I've definitely noticed. It's also built with a 5-zone support design. You can't really see it, but you can feel the way that it supports your head, back, and hips a little differently. It's meant to help with spinal alignment and overall pressure relief. What surprised me most is how well it isolates motion. Even if someone moves around next to you, the layers of foam do a really good job keeping everything quiet and still. The outer cover uses a 3D woven material with built-in ventilation, and combined with the foam's airflow channels, it stays really breathable and dry throughout the whole night. It's not overly firm or too soft. It just hits that sweet spot that works night after night and keeps you wanting to stay in bed. Okay, so we ordered a king. Love it. Obviously, the kitties love it. So what I did, I actually got the mattress about a week and a half ago, and I wanted to sleep on it for like at least a week before I made this video, because mattresses, like, you can't just have like a night on it and you could just sit on it and be like, oh, it's comfortable, I'm gonna love it. Like, you need to have like several nights on it, I feel like, before you can really review it and know if you like it. So first impression, when we first laid on it, we were instantly like, oh my gosh, this is really nice. Like, typically you're supposed to give mattresses like a day or 2 to like expand and sit out. And I will say, like, immediately it was comfortable. So I really liked that, because there isn't like a long delay between like being able to put the mattress on your bed, the new one. I really like a soft mattress. So my whole thing is, like, I don't want it to be like a down pillow, but it can't be like a board, you know? Like, I want an in-between, and I just want to feel like really soft and cozy. I have like the down pillows for my head, and I just like need to be in a cloud, basically. So immediately Wes and I laid on this mattress, and we were gonna decide to like whether we wanted to keep this one or keep our other one, right? And immediately we were like, yeah, we're keeping this one. Didn't even wait, brought our old mattress down to like the dumpster, and we're like, all right, we're ready. So first impression, 10 out of 10. And one thing I really liked about it, the first night in it wasn't uncomfortable. Anything different, whether it's like a super comfortable mattress or like something you don't prefer, anything different than what you've been sleeping on for the past year or 2 or 3 or 10, usually you like notice, right? But the first night was ridiculously comfortable, and that's what I need. Like, I don't want to lose sleep. I don't want like an adjustment period where I'm getting used to the mattress. Like, I want to sleep and be like, yes, down, forever. Let's switch it up in here. So I definitely really loved that. And yeah, overall, I'm super happy with it. It's literally on Amazon. It's linked in the description below. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, but you should definitely get one for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Sweet Night for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love the mattress. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.